Hey guys, so today I'm going to play one of my favorite national anthem song, that is Jana Gana Mana, which is the national anthem of our country, India. Yep. So I'm going to show you the tutorial of our national anthem, so just watch it carefully. Okay, so that was the tutorial of the full song Jana Gana Mana. So the Jana Gana Mana national anthem of our India is a very big and huge song. So I'm going to divide it into 3 equal parts. So listen to the first part, second part, and the third part carefully. Okay. So let's come to the first part. Okay. So beginning of Jana Gana Mana, the first note is C, which is on 3rd fret 5th string. So you have to put it like this. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So it's now the second note is D string, which is open, 4th string. Yeah. And this is the E string, which is on the 2nd fret 4th string. You have to play E string maybe like 5 times. After E, here comes the next string, that is D. You heard me right? D. After that, after D you have to play again E. Yeah, like E again you have to play 5 times. No, sorry, E like you have to play 1 time. Then after that come to F, which is on 3rd string, on 3rd fret 4th string. After that play E once again, like 5 times, like that. Yeah. After that play D just like 3 times, so it's like this. D. After D, the next note is B, which is on the 2nd fret 5th string. After B, play again D once again, and after D, play C, which is on the 3rd fret of 5th string. So that was the first part. So listen to the first part once again. So this is C, this is D, for open string, 4th string. E once again 5th time. D, E, F, E again 4 times. After that play D, B, D, C. So this was the first part, so it's like this. So that was the whole first part, so you can also memorize the notes. So I'm also going to give the notes for the first, second and the third part. Okay, now let's come to the second part. Okay, so the last time you hear the first part. So now let's come to the second part. First note is C. 2 times you have to play C once again. So the next note is G, like you have to play approximately 5 to 6 times. So here it is. After that you have to play F, and then you have to play okay, the same note as like that. So it will be I forgot to mention one thing. After playing F, you have to play A, which is on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. So here you can see. Then play G once again. Then play F one more time. After that, you have to play E once again. So like E, you have to play 6 times. After that, you have to play D, the 4th string, 3 times G string, 2 times F string, which is on the 3rd fret, 4th string. You have to play 3 times of E, 3 times of D string, which is open. Then you have to play B, which is on the 2nd string, 5th fret, as I told you earlier. D, C. So listen to the second part once more. After that, you have to play so now let's come to the third part. Okay, so here is so this is the third part. The first note is you have to play on C, 2 times C, then plays 5 times G, the 3rd string. Then play F, A and G once again. F, E, D, F, E. After that, then play B. B you have to play 3 times. After B, then comes C. Then play B, A, B. Then play G, G 2 times, and after that A, C 2 times once again, D 2 times, E 2 times, D, E, F. So that was the full national anthem. So once again, look at my notes carefully how I play here. that was the full song of our national anthem India. So if you like this video, so please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and you can also comment if you have any doubt in the comment section box. So thank you and see you, and bye bye, take care.